meghalayapost.news.
Tnad Pulit Ribhoi mentara sngi kum kejimpan seluruh Iaki Pulit officer buat barok kinong teri Pulit ke distrik Khusam dekat Khusam Kyrpang kibala ai gejing syakri ke Bhatam bat kibala don bentah ke ban Iakhun Pyrshah Iaki Kam Sniew ke long katong banwanra ya ke syongsuk syongsan kipat ba ke distrik ya kene gejing sam Iaki Khusam lawan mansim mentalang ru dekat DGP ke jela ke ida shisha nongrang kum ke kongsan ban sam ya kita Khusam bala IT Iaki Pulit ha gejinglang ke pelong haplau ke office SP ke Ribhoi distrik nongpo ha gene gesi laidon nikalang nadu SP ke Ribhoi ujak Paul Singh Dano additional SP ke Ribhoi ba banrap lang jerwa bat kentupru kiwe ki officer bat ki Pulit ki bela ai ke jing syakri na ke benta prepare ke Ribhoi ha gani gesi na lo ke jing sam Iaki Khusam ban ai jing penselur Syaki Pulit ki bela syakri bha ke ba Iakhun Pyrshah Iaki Kam Sniew ke Tnad Pulit Ribhoi ke la sam ru ya ke Khusam Kyrpang ya UBC alan marbanyang bat ka WPC Wadalin Simyong na ke 6 Battalion Omran ki belawan banra burom ya ke Tnad Pulit ke jela da ke ba ke layok ban khur ya ke kemak siar na ke lempung Iakhun keti ke bela tip kem ka 73rd All India Police Wrestling Cluster 2024 ke belalong Hasai Stadium Lucknow ha ke jela Uttar Pradesh.
Today, as we know, we have gathered so that our Honorable DGP ma'am can distribute rewards and commendations to all the officers and men who have been doing stupendous work in past 6 odd months. Without further ado, I welcome DGP ma'am to our district and would request her to commence the function.
Madam, आज का समन्वय पर एक एबीसी, एक बिगुलदार, एक जवान, आपका समन्वय पर हाजिर है मैडम। समन्वय, बकाल, सच। समन्वय, विसर्जन।
Quite a few weeks, but somehow something or the other kept coming up. I'm so glad that I've finally been able to come to Ribhoi district and on such an occasion. It's even greater pleasure that I noticed that you, the people who are getting recommendations and rewards today, come from every single unit of Ribhoi Police. Whether it's the armed branch, whether it's the unarmed branch, whether it's the SF10, whether it's the SOT, whether it's the PSOs, whether it's the drivers. I am so happy to see that there is this working together. It is this working together as a team which will lead us to greater achievements and greater glories. I wish you all the very best and congratulations once again.
meghalayapost.news.